Hi guys. All right, today what we're going to do is we are still going to review everything from kindergarten that we know. And this time we are going to explore two games today. Okay, the first one is going to be from ABCia, and the other one is going to be from Dr. Seuss's Fox in Socks. Now, these two games have to do with rhyming. So it's going to be super fun. We're going to go ahead and review rhyming this time. Remember, rhyming is two words that have the same ending. Not the beginning, but the ending. Okay? So here we go. I'm going to show you a game from ABCia first. Okay? Now, what you see over here is the screen ABCia. The link is on Do It Yourself. You're going to click here.
Alphabets rhyming words.
Okay. And guys, this is from first grade. Because you guys are so ready for this. I'm excited.
Read the word on the bat's belly. Then find the bat on the bottom branch that has a rhyming word. Drag that bat to meet his friend.
Okay, so we're going to be looking with rhyming bats. So here we go.
Rhyming words are two or more words which have the same ending sound. For example, bat and cat are rhyming words because they both have the same at ending.
Good.
Big.
So, this is the fun part. So this is the word that we're trying to find the rhyme with. We're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different questions about rhyming, okay? On the bottom, you have these three crazy bats, and your job is to decode, which is what we've been working on, and then find the rhyming word for big. Now, if you really pay attention, you'll understand that this has to do with the word ending, right? And the good news is that you can click on these bats and it will read the word for you if you cannot decode it. But I really want you guys to try to decode it first before you start dragging it out or clicking on it to see what the word is. D-u-k, duck.
Duck.
Does that rhyme with big? Big duck. That does not rhyme because it doesn't have the same ending.
Dash.
Big dash. Nope.
Gig.
Big gig. Yes. Now, clicking on this bat is just not going to work, so you actually have to drag it up.
Gig.
Whee! We got this one right.
Buck.
Buck. So you can
Buck.
always click on it to hear it one more time if what is your rhyming word. K-ash. Cash. Buck. Cash. Does that rhyme?
Luck.
Buck. Luck. That sounds like it's a rhyming word, but let's check with the last one.
Lack.
Lack. Buck. Lack. Does that rhyme? No. So we're going to click on.
Luck.
So not clicking is
Luck.
just not going to work. We have to make him fly all the way to the top. So it's a super easy game, right? Awesome.
Bash.
Now, I'm going to pause this one and I'm going to show you, pause, I'm going to show you the next game. The next game over here
Look, sir,
is
Mr.
the
Knox,
Fox and
sir.
Socks.
Let's do tricks with bricks and blocks, sir.
Okay.
Help Mr. Knox escape the Gooey Goo Lake by finding all the rhyming words you can. Click play to get started.
Okay, I'll push play.
Mr. Knox is in a sticky situation. He's stuck atop a teetering tower in Gooey Goo Lake. Help Mr. Knox before he falls into the chewy blue goo.
Okay.
Help Mr. Knox get down from the stack of bricks. In each round, Fox will hold up a word. Click on all the bricks that rhyme with Fox's word to help Mr. Knox come down to the branch and escape the lake.
Okay, so this guy's going to hold the rhyming word, and here are the bricks that are supposed to rhyme with this word. We're only going to click on the ones that rhyme with the word that the fox is holding, okay?
Fox's word is row.
Row. We have to match it.
Low. Great gameplay.
Low. This is hour. Ooh.
Hour.
Hour, row. That doesn't match.
Moo.
Moo, row. No. Show, row. Yes.
Hooray! That word rhymes.
Bees,
Snow.
row. No. Snow, row. That does.
Hooray! That word rhymes. Well done!
I want to keep playing.
Fox's word is sick.
Sick. See how it has all the words that we've been working with? Now it is all coming together, friends. Yes, our minds are great. All right, here we go. Sick,
Brick.
brick. Yeah.
Impressive. Power.
Ooh. Power, sick. No.
Quick.
Quick, sick. Yes.
Hooray! That word rhymes. Doze.
Doze means to sleep. Doze, sick. No.
Trick.
Trick, sick.
Great game playing.
I'm so good.
Mr. Knox made it to land safely. Are you ready for the next level?
No, because now it's going to be your turn to go ahead and do that and get to the next levels, okay? You guys have fun. You're rhyming and decoding at the same time, so we're putting two teaks together, which is kind of cool, okay? Because you guys are able to do that. All right, happy playing. Stay awesome, my friends. All right, and I will see you on Wednesday. Bye.